For the 5 state assembly elections in November, voters will have the option of rejecting their candidates. The Supreme Court today held that voters have the power to reject contesting candidates.
The Aam Aadmi, India's faceless voter, now has the power to reject all candidates in an election if they feel none of them are good enough. In a landmark judgment, the country's top court ruled that the right to reject is a fundamental part of our democracy. The court shot down the government's stand that the right to reject will create confusion, saying this will bring purity in the elections. Adding, provision of negative voting would be in the interest of promoting democracy, as it would send clear signals to political parties and their candidates as to what the electorate thinks about them. And when the political parties will realize that a large number of people are expressing their disapproval with the will of the people and feel candidates who are known for their integrity.
It's a historic judgment, it's a victory of all of us, of the small man as we call voter.
The voters in Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Mizoram, which go to polls in November, will be the first in India who will have the choice to reject candidates. A none of the above button will be added to all EVMs.
So can the voters there in the 5 states expect this nota button on the EVMs?
We have to see judgment copy, but it should not be difficult.
The BJP welcomed the verdict. Narendra Modi wrote in his blog, "This will give out a very strong message to political parties. Parties will be forced to think, why is it that people are not accepting them? It will make parties more responsible."
If they don't want BJP, if they don't want Congress, if they want CPM, don't want CPI, Samajwadi, who is it they want? Choose them.
No, this is an anomalous situation.
The Supreme Court's efforts to strengthen the election process is on. After its July judgment, disqualifying tainted MPs and MLAs, now the top court wants political parties to put up candidates with impeccable integrity so that voters don't have option to reject them. In New Delhi, Arunachalam Vaidyanathan for NDTV.